I tried my level best to be down, but for the real, ngambona uThobile esetown same time as me, Busisiwe Msiliku. Ngazibuza ukuthi ngoba yimi ofanele abe setown, that me ofanele abe setown. Ngambuka uThobile and I tried, guys. I tried my levels, all of my levels to be done. But for the real, what was she doing at town same time as Busisiwe Msiliku, Musa Msiliku's wife? Because that was my moment, that was my time, that was my prrr. So ubesefuna ukuthatha my prrr, ngase mina ngavele ngamthuka. That me. I tried all my levels to be down, but bengeke athathe my time, my moment, my brr, so ngamthuka. That me. Uyabona nje into ebuhlungu ukuthi njoba bengisetown bengiyosebenza sweater yona leyo sweat blood and tears, umuntu ngiyosebenzela yena uyaqhamuka uthi that's me, uyaqhamuka uthi that my moment, that my time, that my brr. Lapho mina ngiyajuluka, blood, sweat and tears, ngisebenzela yena. Abantu ke bayaba delusional, futhi asikhuliswanga ey'ndaweni ey'fanayo. Abantu bathi bayakholwa kodwa mabesho. Kodwa umuntu uthi mina ngithatha ibrr yakhe. Ngiyasebenza mina, ngisebenzela yena uthi ngithatha ibrr yakhe. Kodwa asikhuliswanga ey'ndaweni ey'fanayo. Futhi ke phela abantu bathi bayakholwa. Vele uMacele nabantu bakubo bayadelela. So you find that Macele was in town with her family. Her family is the one that said, swear at Makhumalo. Ifamily kaMacele. It's their fault vele. Ifamily kaMacele yiye yathi uMacele akathuke uMakhumalo. Lapha ngihambe mina ngikhona, angisayindawo. Izodlala ifilimu. My man.